Today is September 11th. Hello everyone, this is Daily US Stock News by Kyle, bringing you the latest stock market updates every day. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. The EU's final ruling on Apple and Google is out, and no further appeals are allowed. US stocks were mixed today. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq saw small gains, while the Dow Jones dropped slightly. Bank and oil stocks performed poorly. Tomorrow, the CPI data will be released. Warren Buffett had been selling off bank stocks for some time, and today's weak performance in bank stocks validated his decision. Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon warned that due to the decline in fixed income business and a slowdown in acquisitions, the bank's Q3 trading revenue is expected to drop by 10% year-on-year. Goldman Sachs stock plunged by 4.4% today. Additionally, J.P. Morgan executives warned that investors have overestimated the bank's net interest income for next year and underestimated its expense costs. Its stock also fell by 5.2% today. However, Fed Vice Chair Michael Barr stated that the proposal for bank capital reform will be revised. The capital increase requirement for large U.S. banks will drop from the original 19% to 9%, significantly less than initially planned. Banks with assets below $250 billion will largely be exempt from these higher requirements, which is some good news for bank stocks. Cryptocurrencies performed well today. Stocks related to this sector, such as Mara, surged 9%. Regardless of which candidate wins the election, it will benefit the cryptocurrency industry. This is because crypto industry leaders have spent significant amounts on political donations this year, lobbying both candidates. Apollo Global, the Managed Funds Association, MFA, and Coinbase have been the big spenders, supporting both Trump and Harris, who are pro-crypto. Bernstein Investment Bank said that if Trump wins, Bitcoin may rise to $90,000 by the end of the year. OPEC has lowered its demand forecast for the second time in 2 months, with concerns about weak oil demand fueling recession fears. EU's Supreme Court today announced its final verdict on Apple's massive tax evasion case, ruling that Apple exploited its tax deal with the Irish government to avoid taxes. The ruling requires Apple to pay the Irish government €13 billion in back taxes. Apple expects to face approximately $10 billion in income tax expenses in Q4 and cannot appeal this decision. The EU court also upheld its previous ruling, fining Google €2.4 billion for monopolistic practices. This final ruling means Google can no longer appeal the case. OpenAI plans to release the Strawberry AI model ahead of schedule, focusing on reasoning capabilities. OpenAI plans to launch the new AI model in the next 2 weeks, earlier than the previous fall release expectations. The Strawberry model will be part of the ChatGPT service but will be a standalone product focused on reasoning skills, designed to solve complex scientific and mathematical problems and conduct in-depth research. The Strawberry project aims to enhance OpenAI's reasoning capabilities, enabling the model to autonomously and reliably browse the internet. Investors are aware of the current pressure on the electric vehicle market, but Deutsche Bank analyst Edison Yu believes there's room for improvement in Tesla's trajectory by 2025, especially with China's Model Y updates and the growth of the Cybertruck business. Yu has given Tesla stock a buy rating for the first time, with a target price of $295.